Today I'll show how to buy shares of the Hanover Insurance Group Inc., ticker THG, a U.S. property and casualty insurer listed on NASDAQ. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading a government ID, and add funds to your wallet. Use the platform's search field and type the ticker THG to locate the Hanover Insurance Group Inc. Confirm the company name and exchange to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart, and verify the listing is the Hanover Insurance Group Inc. Double-check the ticker THG and the NASDAQ exchange before proceeding. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest and choose Order Settings. Then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading reopens. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is processed. A friendly note: the link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same example.